Georgia has one of the highest maternal mortality rates in the country for Black mothers, and this morning there is a walk in Atlanta to bring awareness to the issue. 11 Alive's Erica Murphy is live from Selena S. Butler Park for the walk and the block party. Erica, many of these deaths are preventable. So what is the mission of today's walk?
And so, you know what, pregnancy and birthing can be a magical time for moms. However, for one group of moms, it can also be a very life-threatening and dangerous time. Today, we have Shanti Moore with us to talk more about some of this serious issue and how we can change those statistics. Good morning, Shanti. Thank you so much for joining us today. So we're out here today with a lot of activity around us. We're going to have a walk and we're going to have a block party, huh?
Yeah.
So tell me, you know, Georgia, I'm hearing, has one of the highest rates for maternal mortality, which is really disappointing to hear. How do you think, why do you think that is for the state?
I think it has a lot to do with just lack of access to adequate prenatal care, lack of access to midwifery care, lack of access to preconception care. We've got maternity care deserts smack dab in the middle of Georgia where people have to drive for hours, sometimes just to reach a provider. So that's a good bit of why this issue exists, I believe, here in Georgia.
Okay. That makes sense. I had never heard that term before, maternity care desert. That's a new one. Wow. So why do you think, or how do you think events like the one that we're having today can maybe help to change that?
Well, this event and events like this one are important because they bring awareness to the issue. You know, there are not enough people who are paying attention to the fact that Black women are dying at the rates that we're dying in childbirth. Like, childbirth is not an illness. It's not a pathology. There's no reason, with all of the resources that we have in this country, that anyone should be dying in childbirth.
Well, Shanti, thank you so much for sharing that insight with us. Now, Christy, we're here at the, there's going to be a walk this morning, and that walk starts at 9 a.m. And right after that, we're going to have a block party here. Reporting from Selena S. Butler Park, Erica Murphy, 11 Alive News.
And it looks like a lot of people showed up to support. Erica, thank you. Georgia health agencies are releasing new data about the maternal mortality rate. The CDC says from 2019 to 2021, over 100 Black women died from pregnancy-related causes. And when they totaled it up, the rate was 33.9 deaths per 100,000 live births. The Georgia Department of Public Health says 84% of those deaths were preventable. 32 moms died while they were pregnant, and the vast majority of the other deaths happened during the postpartum period. 11 Alive has done extensive investigations into Black maternal health. You can find all of our stories on demand on 11 Alive Plus. You can download that to your Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV device.